Hi, welcome to CookerKing's Cornerfield Live channel. This is your host, Sarah. During this live show, I will introduce this pressed aluminum cookware to you. The name of this collection is heavy gauge. So why do we call it a heavy gauge series? Because the capacity of this series is bigger than the other shapes. And you can see here is a frying pan, a saucepan, a casserole, a wok here. So I will tell you all the details one by one later. Okay, next, so let's check the frying pan. In this collection, we do have several sizes of frying pan. For this sample, the size is 24 centimeters. For the inner coating, you can see it's the black non-stick coating. It's the two layers. You can also have 3 layers if you need, and you can change to other coatings like ceramic, marble, or granite. And any coating brands are available in our factory because we have the license and the connections with all the coating brands. For the outside coating, you can see it's the high glossy red color. It just looks like the enamel, right? But it's not enamel, it's just the normal heat resistant lacquer with high glossy. Of course, if you don't like this red, you can change to any other colors you like. You just need to tell us the Pantone number or provide us the color sample. Yeah. Okay, let's get to the bottom. For the bottom, it's with the dot induction bottom here. It means it can be used on any cooktops like ceramic, halogen, induction, or gas. Yes, and you can see here is an embossed logo here. You can also put your brand here to show your brand to your final customers for advertisement. And also you can have the less logo on the body, or it's the silk printing logo on the handle. Also you can see here is embossed CookerKing logo here, because for this handle we are selling in our domestic market, and the tooling is opened by CookerKing. So if you want to put the embossed logo on the handle for yourself, you need to open the handle tooling. Yeah. Okay. Also, if you don't like this handle, you can change to any other design of handles. And also, it's with the soft touch right now. If you don't need it, you can change it to painting or wooden soft touch, or just use the black original. Okay, let's begin with the casserole first. Could you tell me what is the size of this casserole? From my first sight, I think it is 24, but in fact, this is just 22 centimeters. So that's the reason why we call this whole series, whole collection, heavy gauge collection, because the capacity is really very big, also with the big belly design. Yeah, and the capacity of the 22 centimeters casserole is almost the same as the 24 centimeters. Yeah. Okay, for the inner coating, it's the 2-layer black non-stick coating. And of course, if you want to change it to other coatings like ceramic, granite, or marble coating, you just need to tell us your requirements. Also, you can change it. You can use all the coating brands like Teflon, like Waitfold, or KFCC, or even the docking. Yes. And for the outside coating, it's the high glossy red, just like the ceramic or enamel, right? Looks like the enamel, but in fact, it's just the normal heat resistant lacquer with a high glossy Also, if you don't like this red, you can change to any other colors you like. Okay, for the bottom, it's with the dot induction, but it means you can use it on all the cooktops like ceramic, gas, halogen, or electric. Yes. If you want to put your logo on the cookware, you can put the embossed logo here on the bottom. Also, you can have the lesser logo on the body, and also you can have the silk printing logo on the glass lid. Yeah, back to the glass lid. It's the lid with a glass lid with the silicone ring. Yes, this silicone ring will make the keep the steam in the casserole better, so it will be easier for the food to be cooked in this casserole. Okay, for the ears and knob, you can change to any other shapes you like. Yeah, because maybe you don't like this design on it. And for the knob and handle ears, it's with soft touch right now. You can change to painting or wooden soft touch if you like. And okay, and you know it's OEM, so you can change all the spare parts, the inner coating, outer coating, or the glass lid to your requirements. And in this collection, we do have other sizes of this casserole. If you want to know more information about this collection, you just need to contact with us. Okay, next let's check the details of the saucepan. For this saucepan, the size is 16 centimeters, but to be honest, it is very big, looks very big, and the capacity of this 16 centimeters saucepan can compare to the capacity of 18 centimeters. It is because the big belly design, so that's the reason why we call it heavy gauge series. Yeah. Okay, let's check the details of the body. For inner coating, it's the black 2-layer non-stick coating. If you want to have the 3-layer non-stick coating, it is also workable. And if you want to change the coating to ceramic, granite, or marble, even you want to use change the coating brands, it is also workable because we do have the lessons in the connection with all the coating brands. Yeah. And all side coating, it's the high glossy red. It looks like the enamel, right? But it's not enamel, it's the high glossy normal heat resistant lacquer. Yeah. Also, if you don't like this red, you can change to any other colors you want. You just need to tell us the paint number or provide us the sample for the color. Okay, for the bottom, it's with the dot induction bottom. Yeah. It means you can put this saucepan on any cooktops like electric, induction, gas, or halogen. Yeah. And if you want to put your logo on the cookware, you can put the embossed logo on the handle. Also, you can put the lesser logo on the body and the silk printing logo on the handle or on the lid. For this lid, it's the glass lid with the silicone ring. Yeah, silicone ring, and you can change the silicone ring to match color, to match with your body or with your handle. Yeah. And for the handle, you can see here is a CookerKing logo embossed here because we are selling it in our domestic market with our brand. So this handle is opened by CookerKing. And if you want to put the embossed logo on the handle, you need to open the tooling by yourself. Yeah, and if you just need your logo on the handle, you can choose the silk printing logo on the handle. It will cost less for you. Also for the knob, it's a black bakelite knob with a soft touch. For the handle and the knob, it's not a fix, so it means you can change to any other shapes you like and any other set of finish you like, just like painting or wooden soft touch. Also for them, you can change the material to stainless steel or wood. It's all up to you. Okay, last, let's say something about the work. Yeah, the size of this work is 30 centimeters, and you can see from the rim, it is with the rolling rim, rolling edge. Yes, rolling edge, and it's pressed. Of course, it's pressed. Beside pressed aluminum, we can also produce forged and die casting aluminum cookware, also some carbon steel cookware. Okay, back to the work. The inner coating for this work is the 2-layer non-stick coating, black non-stick coating. If you want to use ceramic or marble or granite coating, it is also workable for this work, for this whole collection. And all the coating brands are available in our factory because we have all the license and connections with all the coating brands. Okay, for all the set coating, it's the high glossy red. It looks like the enamel, but it's just the normal heat resistant lacquer with high glossy. Yeah. Sure, if you don't like this red color, you can change to any other colors you like. You just need to tell us the Pantone number or provide us the color sample. Okay, for the bottom, you can see it's with the dot induction bottom. It means it can be used on all the cooktops like induction, gas, halogen, and electric. If you don't need it to be used on the induction, you can choose the city bottom, which will be more economic. Okay, for the bar, if you want to put your logo on the cookware, you can have the embossed logo on the bottom. Also, you can have the laser logo on the body, or silk printing logo on the handle or on the glass lid. Okay, back to the glass lid. You can see it's the glass lid with a silicone ring. It's black. In fact, you can change the silicone color to any other colors to match with your cookware. Yeah, because our handle is with the wooden, with the black soft touch, so we use this black silicone color to match with our handle and the knob. And you can see here is a embossed logo CookerKing here on the handle because we are selling this handle in our domestic market, and we opened this tooling of the handle. So if you want to have your logo embossed on the handle, you need to open the tooling by yourself. Of course, if you don't need the embossed logo, only need the silk printing logo on the handle, it is also workable and will be more cheaper. Yeah. And for the knob, it's also the black bakelite knob with the wooden soft touch. And you can see this handle and knob are both changeable. If you don't like the design, you can change them to your favorite designs. Even you can change the material to be stainless steel or to be real wood. Yes, in our factory we do have real wood handle and knob. Okay, besides the material, you can also change the outside finish. For our sample is with the soft touch. You can change it to wooden soft touch or painting. or you can also choose the original black bakelite. It's all up to you. If you want to sell all the items in the supermarket or in the shop, you can pack them in the color box like the casserole with lid and the color sleeve or color label for the frying pan without lid. And if you want to sell them online, you have to pack them in the mailbox, no matter for the individual items or for the set. And if you don't have many experience in how to pack them in the mailbox and guarantee the safety during the transportation, we can give you some suggestions because we have do all the items with mailbox for our domestic market for more than 10 years. So if you have any questions about the package or the packing way, you could contact with us. And since the MOQ in our factory is at least 1,000 pieces, and maybe many of our customers only want to order with very small quantity. So you have one other choice, you can be our agent. But it means you can only buy items from our warehouse, cannot be OEM. And if you want to know more information about our factory, you could visit our website or contact with us directly. And we're always waiting for you. So I'll see you next time. Bye.